How to get a car dealer license in Florida. Watch the video till the end and don't miss any important step. In step number 1, all Florida auto dealer must complete a state-approved pre-licensing course. We recommend taking it with the Florida Independent Automobile Dealers Association. Your certificate is valid for 6 months after the completion. Decide your business structure, corporation, LLC, partnership or DBA. Each option requires specific paperwork like articles of incorporation or a partnership agreement. And next, your dealership must have a permanent structure of at least 100 square feet with proper signage visible from 50 feet away. A compliance examiner will inspect your location before approval. Your insurance policy must cover $25,000 for liability and $10,000 for personal injury protection. Make sure it includes all required business and agent details. In step number 3, you need a $25,000 surety bond to guarantee your business. Follow the law. Alternatively, a bank-issued line of credit can be used. Your dealership sign must be visible from the road and include operating hours and the design to a compliance coordinator for approval before installation. In step number 8, all dealership officers must get fingerprinted through an FDLE approved provider. Keep the receipt of your application complete form HSMV 86056 online and submit the following pre-licensing certificate: surety bond or line of credit, garage liability insurance, lease agreement, dealership photos, electronic fingerprint receipt, criminal records if applicable, proof of ID, and the application fee $3,000 for vehicle dealers, $340 for mobile home or RV dealers. Register with ACV Auctions for access to transparent online auto auctions and top quality inventory with detailed vehicle condition reports. That's it.